So like I said, a lot of naysayers said I don't win elections, I won 3. And it was an unusual accomplishment due to the turn-by-turn mentality in our country. Today, I lead a pack of about 5 political parties as the leader of the opposition in the House. Not because I am the best, but because I reached for the skies. And I believed in myself. I refused to accept an inferiority complex that the elders in my political party was determined I must have, or to give in to their own superiority complex. More importantly, I refused to accept the label, which I referred to earlier, of a small boy. I want to encourage our youth to imbibe the yes we can spirit that propelled Barack Hussein Obama into the US presidency at a relatively young age, and with a black skin that was not meant to sit in the White House. Doggedness, determination, commitment, belief itself, and faith in God. These are the key and essential characteristics that we must wear 24/7 to be able to say, finally, we have arrived. In the words of Martin Luther King, who, by the way, was barely 40 when he gave his memorable I Have a Dream speech. I stand before you today to say, I have been to the mountaintop myself, and I have seen the promised land. And I know one day, with perseverance, constructive engagement, and a yes we can spirit, we, the youth of Nigeria, will, in the not too distant future, get to the promised land. There will be resistance by the older generation, but we must continue to push. QED. Thank you.
We're going to take questions. If anybody has questions, we're going to try and do this in as organized fashion as possible. So probably we'll take the first person. If you have any, just take your name so we can know how many questions we have. All right, we'll take this gentleman first of all. All right, please come forward, introduce yourself, and then go ahead with your question.
Babatunde Ajibola Ejimi lórúkọ tèmi. Lára nǹkan tèmi fẹ́ sọ fún honorable wa ni pé mo kí wọn kú oríire. Àwọn ni honorable àkọ́kọ́ tèmi rí tó ń lọ síbi ayẹyẹ tí ò kó àwọn ọmọ ológun dání. Àwọn tó jẹ́ state honorable gan wọ́n bá ń lọ bí ayẹyẹ àwọn jàǹdùkú ọ̀tọ̀ tí wọ́n ṣe rí gẹ́gẹ́ bí nǹkan tó ń bá wa sọ. Ibi tí ìṣòro wa tó wà ní wípé èdè irú àgbékalẹ̀ tó ń bá wa sọ yìí a mọ̀ pé ọ̀pọ̀ nínú wa ló gbọ́ fún ìfìtì o, ṣùgbọ́n àwọn ìjọba wa pẹ̀lú gbogbo ètò tán láwọn ní tó bá jẹ́ pé èdè abínibí wa ni wọ́n fi ń ṣe ìpolongo àti ìlanilọ́yẹ̀ yẹn, ó ṣeé ṣe kí àwọn akùdé tó ń dé bá àwọn ètò yẹn kó má dìbà. Ṣẹ́ni lórí èyí tí wọ́n gbé kalẹ̀ gangan wípé ọ̀nà owó la lè gbà láti jẹ́ kí àwọn ọ̀dọ́ kópa nínú àtúnṣe lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà, mo rò pé àwọn náà ti yànnà náà wípé àwa ọ̀dọ́ àwọn náà lájà ìjàgbara rẹ̀. Mo kàn rọ àwa tá a jẹ́ ọ̀dọ́ láti fi ìmọ̀ ṣọ̀kan. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí wọ́n sọ pé ọ̀rọ̀ òṣèlú ni olóṣèlú, ṣùgbọ́n àwọn gẹ́gẹ́ bí olóṣèlú, ìbéèrè tèmi sí wọn ni wípé kí ló dé tá a bá ti dìbò fún àwọn olóṣèlú wa wọn kì í yọjú sí wa? Torí èmi o nípínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ tòní kò sí representative wa kankan ní state house ni o, ní national house ni o, tó lè sọ pé o ní ìpàdé tóun ń ṣe pẹ̀lú àwọn àtàjẹ́ àtàdìbò fún wọn yàtọ̀ sí ẹgbẹ́ òṣèlú wọn. Tí àǹfààní bá dẹ̀ ń bọ̀ tó o bá ti bìlọ́ọ̀nù, kò sẹ́gbẹ́ àti A àti B ìlú kankan ní gbogbo wọn. Torí pé tó o bá ti lọ sípàdé wọ́ọ̀dù wọn, o lè ráǹfààní gbà. Ọ̀nà wo la fẹ́ fi ṣe eléyìí? Ẹ bá wa ṣàlàyé sá.
Thank you very much, sir. I want to thank the organizers of this program. Today, I'm much more enlightened, and I want to state emphatically that my day is not complete without watching you in the National Assembly. I'm always happy listening to you because I always appreciate your intellectual progress. Thank you very much, sir. God bless you, sir. So my question is this. From your lecture now, we just said about 70 million Nigerians who are youth. But I want to ask now, what is the space for an average Nigerian youth in the political sphere of this country? Because in our states, there is no youth parliament. Even in our state houses of assembly, all we see are grey-headed people, those who should be sitting down, eating the fruit of their labor, parading themselves as members of state houses of assembly. Against the House of Representatives, what we see is empty chairs. People are not speaking. People don't have businesses in the House of Representatives. So what is my question? Number one question is, what is the space, political space of an average Nigerian youth, so that we don't keep parading aged people, 70, 60-year-old people in the National Assembly? Then my number two question is this, sir. The Nigerian youth, the Nigerian students, sir, please, I want to send you to Abuja, sir. The polytechnic students have been on strike for the past 2 months. When they don't have anything to do, there's no way they will resort to crime. What they ought not to be. Sir, please, on behalf of all polytechnic students, please, sir, I don't know if I should frustrate. Please help us do something about it. The federal government is not concerned with what is happening. If we were to be Amnesty or any other case now, the paper will have been flooded with it. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. The speaker for today's lecture, someone I've been following for so many years. During the last time you were presenting the bill at that representative, I watched it and I so much appreciate it, sir. Thank you for that. Now my question is this: we are trying to engage the minds of the youth, but at the same time, the youth have a foundation somewhere, and the foundation is primary education. Sir, someone that studied Bachelor of Education in primary students, maybe primary students, they don't know how to be teaching primary students. But considering the level of salary that they pay to him or her, like at the state level, your state, for example, now, the highest they can pay a first graduate that ought to be taking primary students would be, for the state government, should be not more than like 50,000 at most as at present. But such person will think of having a master's degree and now moving ahead to take university or polytechnic students. Now the question is that how they can show that someone that doesn't have a solid foundation will have a good mind to lead?
The issue of youth work now is part of it. Many of the people who are clamoring, who are still deciding about Nigeria today, they are the ones that take youth work. So now, they are the same people, the old system, the same structure. They are things that we can do. They are the one making the law. They are the one at the court of power. It's very difficult. And you said there earlier, because we are not putting your word. You said you are not calling for revolution. But as we do it, what can we do? They are the same people ruling us. And there's no room for revolution. So are we will continue to sit and say, oh my God, Nigeria will be better. And they are the same one. If they are leaving the government today, they will put their grandchild there. So please, what can we do as a young of this nation?
You see, the organizer of this program, when they were during their advertorial, they said the program, they mentioned they said men will be sacked. I wonder why, if the name that Abi Agela is enough personality to drive sensible and intelligent youth around. This is about who rejected the national award. Because he is an epitome of integrity. So, must you tell us men who is available before we come here? And I want to tell you, start your mind. Some of us are here because of that video. It is very unfortunate, sir. Another thing, sir. You see, when we are engaging engaging the mind now, engaging the youth mind. What is the way out of this? Role modeling. Today in Nigeria, not too long ago, when I went to the newspaper stand, people will be discussing politics, power, economics, and the rest. But today, when you go to the newspaper stand, ordinarily youth who are discussing, they talk about footballing, they talk about music, and these are the people, they are killing us. We have killed ourselves with all these things. The way outside.
And thank you for the people who came up to ask those very mind-provoking questions. There were a lot of them. I will try to remember or address the questions as best as I can remember. I hope I'll be able to touch as many questions as possible.